Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Grok AI not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is ensure a stable connection and disable VPNs which can interfere with access. Also, try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, and also try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick little refresh. Once you've done that and it still doesn't work, simply go ahead and try to force close the application and reopen it. If again that doesn't work, then try to update the application by opening your App Store or Play Store. Simply go to the search bar and simply search for Grok. Now tap on the application, and if there is any updates available, there's going to be a update button right where the open button was. If none of those work, then all you need to do is just uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.